Morning to you. Actually, it's afternoon again. It's almost 2 or a little after 2. We don't have the same sunshine as we did yesterday. Thermometer says it's 46. Feels, I guess, more like 42. I think my sensor is also out here in the garage, so it might be getting a little protected. That's on. Oh, what did I do with? I put it in the back of the truck. So today we're going to tackle the fan motor on the Jimmy. I already flipped the truck around. No, I didn't do it on camera. Motor. Let's get the motor out of the back. Actually, that's an engine. The motor's electric. Slow. Come on, you can do it. Give it a little help. Actually goes a lot better when the motor's running, but when the engine is running. Okay, as we discovered yesterday, these motors that I bought are for the AC units, AC unit trucks, which that one is not. But we made it work. Answer this. I don't prep when I do my videos, I just grab stuff and go, so you'll have to bear with me here for a sec. So there is our new motor for this truck. I need to go grab some tools. It's not supposed to rain for a few hours, although it was raining earlier. That's why it's taking me this long to get out here. Everything's still wet. But yeah, let's get that motor apart. We got one ground. We've got the purple wire for the feed. Heater lines are nice and warm. Ran the truck for a little bit, but should do something to lock those together so they don't flop around when I'm driving. Have to get a double clamp set up or something, but purple wire, we got one hose here. It's like a, we'll figure that all out. So let me grab some tools and we'll have at it. Alrighty, got you here in the truck. Make sure we turn the radio down. You didn't hear that. Fan is on low right now. Oh, it's off. That's why. Let's put it on defrost. See what it does for the flag. That's low. Second to low. That's actually backwards. There's some dead wires in here. Low. Doesn't sound healthy. That one's same speed as low, and high doesn't work. So this may need a resistor. Didn't move the flag at all. So yeah, let's put that new fan motor in and see what she does. Well, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to see as much unless I hold the camera directly above. Just because I got AC stuff, and washer bottle or coolant bottle in the way. I got the ground cable here because it just dawned on me this is a fiberglass box, whereas the other truck it's a metal box. So they got to have some way to ground that motor out. This is actually a junkyard blower box. Because the original was all cracked up. I think we're going to wind up doing the same thing on this one that we did on the red truck. Use those bigger self-tappers, because these holes are pretty wallered out as well, especially being fiberglass. Drop one screw. I'll have to grab the magnet for that one. Slip that off there. Power feed, so yeah. Where are we at? Definitely same size. A little bit different on the inside. Don't drop it. Drop it to break it. This one's still got a nut on the inside there. These are pressed on. So, but the if I can do this here. Profiles are the same. This one's got a hose coming off the top of it. Ventilation for the motor, I'm guessing. But luckily, oh yeah, that one's pretty scuzzy inside there. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but so that's next to the power plug, which is this one here. It's all nice and shiny and new in there. This hose is still looking pretty good. So we will thread that right in there, like such. Like that. So we got a nubbin for locating. Which is good, and I need to grab those screws. I think I'll just get them started with the gun. The correct socket. 5/16. Lined back up on the little nubbin deal there. Actually, grab a little something to clean that with. I have it right here. Right, there it is. Hiding in plain sight. Just clean this up real quick. A little fresh metal. Not a whole lot of work required, but that should be good enough. Just enough to freshen it up. Through. First, I didn't set the rotation. Going to torque them down with this one. Just run it down so it's semi-tight. Still move things around. It's actually started up pretty good. We'll go back and hit them with a regular ratchet. On there, we'll get our hands in here. Barely. That one. There's one on the bottom yet. Okay, well, technically now there's two on the bottom. Don't let me forget to grab those. These are going in really good. Bottom one I'm going to have to do by hand. If I can even get my hand down there. I have to grab a flashlight, because now we got 3 down the hole. So let me finish this up, we'll bring you back in a sec. Okay, everything's in. I got the screw on the bottom. I put some painter's tape around the screw head so I could leave it in the socket to run it into the hole. I can't get the tape off. Oop, there it is. And then I just want to do a hand tighten on that one. And snug, they are all snug. Just checked the time and it's 3:50 according to the clock already. I'm going to be running out of daylight really fast here. Okay, let's go pop inside and see what we got. Bouncy all over the place here. And keys right there. Ignition. Come on, turn. It's definitely quieter. But that resistor's screwed up. Switch is wired in backwards because that is the fastest speed, which is the second from low. All the way up. I'll show you the right one here. Oh, that should be high and there's nothing. But, yeah, I think that other fan was going out anyway, so I'll have to look into that. Is that the other screw that just fell out? I don't see it under there. There's one I couldn't find. I dropped 3 total. I got the original factory screw, but okay, well there's a resistor right there. showing you. I gotta work on that. Been a while. Out of practice here. So the way that things are working, I'm almost gonna bet that what's on the back of the fan switch might be backwards or something. But I have no idea what this goes to. So, well, anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. We got the old motor swapped out. That's how it should have been. No swappings required. Just a direct bolt in. Don't know if it'll blow any better because I haven't really driven this truck a whole lot. We'll figure it out. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following along. I'm going to probably work on some wiper motor upgrades. This fan's going in the garbage because it was making funny noises. I don't feel any play in the bearings, but we're not going to save this one. And yeah, catch you on the next one. Y'all be good. Bye-bye.